Since 2012, the Tacoma Fire Department has been providing residents with non-emergency medical help in addition to their first responder emergency services. This is done through a program called TFD CARES. CARES is the acronym for Community Assistance, Referral, and Education Services. Here to talk with us today is Laura Morris, the TFD CARES Program Manager. Hi, Laura.
Hello.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for being here.
Yeah.
All right. So, Laura, can you tell us why and when did the TFD CARES program start?
Yes, the TFD CARES program started back in 2012. We had a reduction in budget, so we wanted to look at data to see how we could be more efficient with our emergency operations and save costs for the fire department. So we started with individual callers, and we felt that individual callers would call 3 times in a lifetime. So 3 times in 1 year would be a good starting point for just our analysis. What we found was over 1,500 individuals had called 911 over 3 times in 1 year, and the highest utilizer of 911 EMS services calling over 175 times in 1 year. So we had our work cut out for us. We couldn't case manage 1,500 individuals, so we scaled it down to our top 50. And we felt we would have a significant impact on 911 response if we focused on managing and supporting those first 50 citizens in the Tacoma community.
Wow, awesome. So TFD CARES has reduced 911 calls by 93% for frequent utilizers in 2017.
Yes.
Why is TFD CARES so successful?
We are so successful because we have a social work case manager, an RN case manager, and a great non-clinical support staff. We just have a great team. And so with this team, we collaborate with hospital systems, with social services, with behavioral health agencies, and we're really ingrained in this collaborative relationship with all these healthcare providers to assist individuals in securing the best possible services to achieve the best outcomes for themselves, and all the while staying independent and residents of our community.
Nice, nice. So, Laura, TFD CARES offers university students training, learning opportunities to apply to their education. Can you briefly share one of the projects?
Yes, so one of the projects that we just recently completed back this spring, we had 2 master's in nursing students from Seattle Pacific University. And they came down and were focusing on high utilizing addresses. So these are multi-family addresses. And so they did a whole lean initiative project from start to finish, analyzing data, background, and really came up with some good solutions for these communities, but only focused on one, and that was promoting education, self-help education on chronic illness management. And so they really they held focus groups, they got feedback from the residents, and they just did a phenomenal job in getting the residents feedback on why it's difficult to manage chronic illnesses on limited budgets, and how there was misunderstandings in the information that we received from medical providers. So our nurses did a fabulous job of really bringing it down to something that they could feasibly achieve with the resources they had available to them, and that being the residents at these communities.
Okay, perfect. So one final question for you, Laura. Can you share how TFD CARES supports assisted living, adult family homes, and skilled nursing facilities in the community?
Yes, so we are very active at our administrative meetings with these communities, and so we not only work with administrators on policies, but we also work with their staff on, education on chronic illnesses, how to be alerted more quickly of someone who's declining in health, and because our goal is, medical prevention as well. We don't, want individuals to call 911, and especially medical providers, because that's, stressful. So we work hand in hand with administrators at these communities, at skilled nursing, assisted living, and we meet with them monthly to just really understand kind of the barriers that they're experiencing and how 911, the fire department, EMS can support good outcomes for the patients that they're serving.
Nice. Well, thank you for being here today, Laura. The TFD CARES program sounds like an awesome program, and I hope that this information will be helpful to our viewers.
Yes, thank you.
We appreciate you being here to share that information.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. You can find out more information by emailing the TFD CARES program. After the break, we'll find out what to expect in our winter edition of Enviro Talk. Stay with us.